Scientists are secretly terrified by what they haven't found. The universe is terrifyingly silent. Our universe is vast, containing billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. With so many planets, surely life, even intelligent life, must be incredibly common. Yet, physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, "Where are they? Why haven't we found them?" This is the Fermi Paradox, the baffling silence in a seemingly crowded cosmos. It's humanity's greatest cosmic riddle, challenging our place in the universe. Perhaps life's origin, the leap from chemistry to biology, is impossibly rare. Earth overcame cataclysms, developing multicellularity and complex intelligence. Maybe our planet's conditions for sustained life are simply unique, a cosmic fluke. If the filter is behind us, humanity is extraordinarily lucky to exist. But what if the great filter lies ahead of us? A terrifying prospect. Could self-destruction, through war, pandemics, or environmental collapse, be inevitable? Or perhaps cosmic threats, like asteroid impacts or gamma-ray bursts, are too frequent. Uncontrolled artificial intelligence or runaway technology could lead to our demise. Are advanced civilizations inherently unstable, doomed to self-eradicate? This suggests our technological rise is a race against an unknown, ultimate challenge. The zoo hypothesis proposes we are deliberately uncontacted, observed like animals. Perhaps a galactic, prime directive prevents intervention until we reach maturity. Or they are simply too far away, their signals too weak to reach us. Maybe we're looking for the wrong kind of life, missing truly alien intelligences. The dark forest theory suggests silence is survival, revealing yourself is dangerous. Their intelligence could be so advanced, so alien, we simply cannot comprehend it. Still, our search continues, listening for any whisper across the cosmic void. New telescopes and analytical tools push the boundaries of our understanding daily. The human drive to connect, to know if we are truly alone, persists. Are we truly alone in this unfathomably vast, beautiful, and silent universe? The answer would fundamentally redefine humanity's place and destiny forever. The Fermi Paradox remains humanity's greatest, most profound unanswered question. The rare Earth hypothesis suggests our planet's specific conditions for complex life are incredibly unique. Jupiter's massive gravity acts as a cosmic shield, diverting deadly asteroids away from Earth. Our strong magnetic field shields the atmosphere from solar radiation, preserving liquid water. Perhaps the great filter is behind us, the odds of complex life arising are astronomically small. Even if they exist, the sheer immensity of space means civilizations could be too far apart. We might be listening on the wrong frequencies, or using outdated detection methods. Perhaps advanced civilizations communicate in ways entirely beyond our current technological comprehension. They might transcend radio communication, finding it primitive or inefficient for interstellar distances. The zoo hypothesis suggests advanced aliens are deliberately avoiding contact, simply observing us. They might adhere to a prime directive, allowing our civilization to develop naturally, uninfluenced. We could be part of an experiment, a protected wildlife preserve, or a cosmic petri dish. Perhaps they are already here, utilizing advanced cloaking technology beyond our detection capabilities. Our technological and social development might simply be too primitive for them to initiate contact. The great filter could be ahead of us, civilizations might inevitably destroy themselves. Nuclear war, ecological collapse, or unchecked technological development could be universal pitfalls. Uncontrolled artificial intelligence or runaway nanotechnology might consume or transcend its creators. Perhaps advanced civilizations transcend physical forms, migrating into simulated realities or pure energy. They might find physical exploration or communication with less advanced species uninteresting or unnecessary. The dark forest theory posits that silence is a survival strategy in a dangerous universe. Any detected civilization is assumed to be a potential threat, or a resource to be exploited. Therefore, revealing one's presence to the cosmos is an act of extreme, potentially fatal, risk. To broadcast our existence is to risk drawing unwanted attention from unknown, powerful entities. The Fermi Paradox remains one of humanity's most profound and unsettling cosmic questions. It compels us to ponder our unique place and responsibility, if we are indeed alone. Yet, the search continues, driven by an insatiable curiosity about our cosmic neighbors. What if we are the first? The universe's nascent intelligence, peering into the void. The vast, pregnant silence of the cosmos fuels both our greatest fears and our deepest wonder. One chilling hypothesis suggests a great filter, preventing civilizations from reaching interstellar travel. Is the filter behind us? Perhaps the leap from simple life to complex multicellularity is incredibly rare. Some argue the path to advanced tool use or even language has been an improbable series of lucky breaks. If the filter is behind us, we are incredibly fortunate survivors in a universe likely devoid of competitors. But what if the filter lies ahead? A terrifying possibility, for it means our greatest challenges are yet to come. Could environmental collapse, driven by our own actions, be the universal fate of developing civilizations? Self-annihilation through advanced weaponry, a dark shadow humanity has lived under for decades. Or perhaps the rise of superintelligent AI, escaping human control, poses an existential threat. Resource depletion on a planetary scale could halt expansion, trapping civilizations before they launch. Beyond self-inflicted wounds, cosmic catastrophes like asteroid impacts or supervolcanoes loom. Gamma-ray bursts, powerful cosmic events, could sterilize entire regions of a galaxy in an instant. If the filter is ahead, then the silence of the cosmos is a warning, not an absence. Even if intelligent life is common, faster-than-light travel might remain forever beyond technological reach. Some suggest aliens are already here, discreetly observing us, a concept known as the zoo hypothesis. Perhaps they view Earth as a protected preserve, waiting for us to reach a certain evolutionary milestone. Another radical idea, our entire reality, including the cosmos, is a sophisticated computer simulation. In this planetarium hypothesis, the apparent silence is simply part of the simulated environment. What if alien intelligence is simply too different for us to recognize, operating on vastly different principles? The transcension hypothesis posits advanced civilizations evolve beyond physical matter, becoming undetectable. They might withdraw from the physical universe, focusing on internal realities or energy manipulation. Despite these theories, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, continues relentlessly. We've sent messages ourselves, like the Arecibo transmission, a beacon into the cosmic void. Yet, our signals are faint, quickly diluted by the immense distances and cosmic noise. The silence remains profound, a stark reminder of the immense scale and mystery of the universe. The Fermi Paradox challenges our assumptions, forcing us to confront our place in the cosmos. Whether alone or surrounded, humanity's journey of discovery and survival is uniquely our own. The quest for answers propels us forward, towards the stars, towards the unknown. Perhaps the great filter lies ahead, civilizations consuming themselves into oblivion, never reaching interstellar travel. Advanced technology brings immense power, but also the potential for self-destruction through warfare or uncontrolled innovation. Climate change, resource depletion, or unchecked pollution could be universal traps for developing civilizations. Or perhaps a technological singularity, an AI surpassing human control, becomes the ultimate filter. The sheer scale of space and time might be the filter. Civilizations simply too far apart, signals too weak. Life's window might be fleeting. Civilizations could rise and fall long before we ever detect them. The zoo hypothesis suggests advanced civilizations are aware of us, observing without interference. We might be part of a cosmic preserve, our development carefully monitored, like a protected wildlife sanctuary. Their non-interference directive could be absolute, allowing our natural evolution to unfold. The dark forest theory proposes a terrifying alternative: silence is survival. Any signal reveals your location. In a hostile universe, the safest strategy is to remain silent, lest you attract unwanted attention. Broadcasting our presence could be a fatal mistake, a beacon for unknown, potentially aggressive entities. What if our entire reality is a sophisticated simulation, a cosmic computer program running our universe? The simulation hypothesis suggests we are not real in the fundamental sense, merely code within a grander system. Perhaps advanced intelligences transcend physical forms, becoming pure information or energy, undetectable by us. Post-biological entities might exist in environments we don't recognize as life-sustaining, operating on different principles. Our current search methods might be too narrow, listening for signals that alien civilizations no longer use. They might communicate through entangled particles, subspace, or methods entirely beyond our current comprehension. We might simply be too primitive to recognize advanced alien technology, even if it's right before our eyes. The timelines of civilizations might be incredibly short compared to the vastness of cosmic history. The sheer isolation imposed by vast distances means we might never cross paths, even if life is common. Signals degrade over interstellar distances. A message sent millions of years ago might be too weak to detect. The Fermi Paradox, ultimately, holds a mirror to humanity, forcing us to consider our own future. What if we are truly alone? This profound realization places an immense responsibility on humanity. The search continues, driven by an insatiable curiosity and the hope of discovering cosmic companionship. New technologies, new approaches, and expanded scientific understanding will refine our quest for answers. The Fermi Paradox reminds us of our place in the universe, inspiring both humility and boundless aspiration. The greatest question remains unanswered, challenging us to look further, think deeper, and never stop searching.